Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make cream horns. Begin by thawing puff pastry and preparing a smooth vanilla pastry cream, then chill both. Roll pastry into 3, 5-inch strips and wrap around greased metal horns or cones with overlapping edges. Brush with egg wash, bake until golden, and cool completely before filling. Pipe cream gently to avoid sogginess, then dust with powdered sugar and serve warm or chilled. In this video, I will show how to make cream horns. Keep pastry cold and work quickly to preserve butter pockets for crisp, flaky layers. Roll to even thickness, then cut 3, 5-inch strips for consistent horns. Lightly flour the work surface to prevent sticking and chill strips briefly if dough softens. Wrap strips around conical molds with slight overlap, sealing the ends well, then egg wash before baking for shiny, golden crust. In this video, I will show how to make cream horns. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers and recipe cues, and it plays great music while you bake. It fits small kitchens and packs clear sound for cooking podcasts. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make cream horns. Make a classic pastry cream by tempering eggs with warm milk, cooking until thick, then cooling completely. For lighter texture, fold in whipped cream gently to create a crème lager, or use sweetened whipped cream alone. Transfer filling to a piping bag and refrigerate until firm. Pipe into cooled horns, filling evenly to the ends for a satisfying bite and balanced flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.